From prostate cancer to heart diseases, here are 5 unique health benefits of pumpkin seeds to you. Pumpkin seeds are increasingly becoming a popular snacking option. Studies have also shown that pumpkin seeds have anti-cancer properties that can stop the growth of breast and prostate cancer cells. This is 5 delicious ways to add pumpkin seeds to your diet. How to eat pumpkin seeds. 1. Have it as a plain snack. The best and easiest way to eat pumpkin seeds is to just start eating them. 2. Use them as toppings. Anything you cook, sweet or savory, will be enriched with a garnishing of pumpkin seeds. 3. Cook the seeds. This will give a crackle to your pumpkin seeds and enhance its flavor. 4. Chaat. You can make a healthy salad cum chaat with the pumpkin seeds. 5. Make a smoothie out of it. A quarter cup of pumpkin seeds every day is good enough to get their health benefits without increasing your calorie count. Like, share and follow for more.